Hi everyone, Babs and Louie here at point number 9 on the Voices of Freedom Black History walking tour. We are standing directly across from the Daniel Waters Cottage. The Daniel Waters Cottage is known locally as the Slave Cottage, although Daniel Waters himself was never actually a slave. His grandparents had arrived here in the 1790s as settlers, Humphrey and Anne, and he was the son of Humphrey Jr. He was born, or Daniel was born, in 1813 during the War of 1812. His mother was left to raise him and his 3 siblings pretty much on her own during the war, which couldn't have been an easy task, because his father and his uncle were both in the Coloured Corps formed by Richard Pierpoint during the war. After the war, the family received land grants, although that is a story unto itself. But Daniel really took advantage of whatever was available to him. He became a landowner. He owned and operated a large livery right down there on Queen Street, which was extremely successful. And he became a very well-known, very affable, well-liked pioneer businessman. He also owned a beautiful home, which you can still see on the corner of Regent and Prideaux, where he lived with his wife and 2 daughters. His wife was white, by the way. His parents were biracial, and his grandparents, we believe, were biracial. Interesting. So very successful, very well-liked, successful pioneer businessman, Daniel Waters. I'll see you at point number 10, the Winifred Wesley Cottage.